listen to the big
Just a little baby.
There's a little guy, Spot, and Prince.
They love each other.
They really do. They're kennel mates.
Where are you going? Oh, little,
Oh no, don't play.
so cute.
Did she go potty?
Spot,
They love the grill because they love food.
Hi.
They love food,
Hi.
especially barbecue.
And Daisy's like,
I know, that's my place. Because she does hide there sometimes.
Look at Spot. Look at Spot. He likes to go. He said, okay, look, hold on.
it's like, what's that noise?
You know where he loves to sit? On the back porch.
Oh, funny.
That's what he likes to do, just sit there. And now he's going to eat
funny.
the dog a little bit.
Hey, hey.
Poor princess. It's so
Aw.
curious.
So
He
how
wants
old
to
are
play.
they now?
Well, now they're 7.5 weeks old.
Yep, they'll be 8 weeks on the 19th.
8, that's right. And on the 22nd, they get their first shots. Ooh. Yeah.
That'll be a month after Olivia turned 9.
Oh, okay. And then they love to. You'll have to watch. You see if. Well, we have to put this
That's
little
so
barricade
funny.
because they would go right into the garden.
That's so funny. Look what he does. Look what he does.
Yeah, he goes and he swings on
I
me.
know. They love toys. Their favorite
I know.
toy, I made a tether ball out of, well, this thing plus a long little rope with a ball. And